Alright, hello guys, Max here and welcome back to another video. Today we are at Úpořiny, at the Úpořiny no.1 level crossing, which is getting upgraded, I see. I think the level crossing is switched off, it's shut down I think, I don't know. See, there's the old AZD 71 wickwacks and the old gate. And these right here are the brand new AZD 97 wickwacks and the gates. As you can see, they're covered. We might come back here after the upgrade is finished as well.
Great.
Yeah, I don't know if it still works. There's that second level crossing over there. They're putting new wickwacks to it as well. See it in the distance. There are the old wickwacks. We might pause the video and look at the other side as well. See that. That single track line is towards Teplice, and the rest of them are the two over there are to Ústí nad Labem, I believe. So, should we get to the other side and look as well?
Sure.
Alright. Should we cross?
Walking.
Yeah, let's look both ways because I think the level crossing is shut down. I really don't know.
Okay, but hurry up, let's hurry up before it starts.
It's shut down, dude. Here is the other side of the level crossing. Yeah, that's the new logic cabinet for it. And this level crossing is now going to have 4 barriers instead of 2.
They're going to remove these ones. They will leave these.
They will remove the old ones as well. It used to be a half barrier level crossing, and now it's going to be a full 4 barrier level crossing. Excuse me. Here are the old wickwacks at the other side. Yeah, see, there's that sign which says that the level crossing is shut down. Okay.
But don't stand on the road.
And these are the brand new wickwacks as well. Oh, brand new AZD 97. They're the old ones. I'm really gonna miss them. They were in very good working order, indeed. Excuse me. There is Úpořiny number 2. I love a crossing over there. They're putting new wickwacks over there as well. At the left side, they're covered as well. And the old mechanical bell on this level crossing used to is continuing when the barriers are down, but I don't think it will no longer do that because it's a 4 barrier level crossing now. It will no longer do that. So thank you guys, see you in the next video. Stay tuned. I will see you after this level crossing gets upgraded. Bye.